Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of October. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Aquarians. Wow, the Star, the Queen of Wands, the Magician, okay, Ace of Pentacles, Lovers, similar to the uh, Capricorn reading. So maybe you need to check that video also. Perhaps you will get some additional information because it seems to be quite similar. With the Knight of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Eight of Swords. What's this? The Chariot, Four of Wands, okay, a Ten of Wands, I think it was a Saggy reading and a Capricorn reading. I think it's coming off as sort of mix for both. You will definitely find some messages if you check those videos also, the Saggy and the Capri one. Okay, so that is my advice. Rest you have to see. So we are starting. Okay, let me pull out the cards from this deck for you, Aquarius. Okay, wow. Guidance from the angels. I'm not taking the, though I saw the card, but I'm not taking the pop-ups. Okay. So with the Star card, with the Star, the Magician and the Queen of Wands, so you are sitting pretty powerful, pretty comfortable, because you are manifesting something which your heart desires. You have the resources, you have the knowledge, you know what you want. You are definitely starting off for something big, something important, perhaps a relationship. It can be a relationship also. So there is definitely something new which you perceive as a wish fulfillment, and you are making it happen. And this person is uh, with the Ace of Pentacles, you are having a new beginning with this person, and you see this person as a star of your life, as your wish fulfillment. Definitely you feel that there is some sort of a soul connection also with this person, perhaps. And here you want a new beginning with this connection, followed by the Lovers. So many major arcana. So it is definitely talking about a relationship, partnership, or a friendship, perhaps, maybe, but definitely there is something important. It is a significant relationship, and you want this new beginning. With the Knight of Pentacles, you are moving ahead in this direction because this is what you want, and here you plan to take that action, which is very slow. But why is it so slow? When you want it, why are you going so slow? It's there, but action is not fast. And here with the Eight of Pentacles, I see you being really focused on building some sort of stability, or focused on your work, perhaps. But there is a reason, and the reason for going so slow is, though you are sitting pretty powerful and you really know that you want this, but there is something with the Seven of Wands and the Eight of Swords. This is holding you back. And this is a struggle which is going on inside your head. That's what I feel, because there is something which is holding you back from moving forward. You are not able to come out of your certain experiences, perhaps. Something is holding you back, and you need to work on that. Perhaps that is what the hard work you are putting in, because you want to move towards this person, and you are working hard, perhaps on fighting with your own fears. That's what I feel. I think you're fighting your own fears, which is a very good thing to do. And with the Chariot, you are able to take the control of the situation and move ahead. So I think this is working on your own fears, or on whatever is holding you back, basically fears or your circumstances maybe. So whatever the struggle is, you are able to overcome it. You are working hard on this struggle, able to overcome it with the Chariot, and with the Four of Wands you are manifesting this relationship here. With the Ten of Wands ending it, you are unburdening yourself. So you are able to unburden yourself from whatever the struggle was. You are able to overcome that struggle, taking the power in your hands and able to manifest this relationship. And with the Ten of Hearts, it's a wheel. So definitely things are moving. Things are moving. It's a movement of your life forward. Guardian of emotion. This situation requires emotional maturity and total trust. Those surrounded by you who have you are surrounded by those who have only the best of intentions, so you can rely on the advice you are being given. Challenges will be resolved. This card also indicates a generous humanitarian and refined person whom you can completely depend on. This could be in reference to the characteristics within yourself. So this is talking about this struggle. So it requires emotional maturity. It is, so if you have anyone who can guide you, then you can take that help. But the thing is, it is requiring an emotional maturity, which you are actually doing it. You are working on it yourself or with the help of others, but definitely you are coming out of it and unburdening yourself. So it's a very powerful reading, Aquarians, according to me. I just hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.